Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will show you how to remove your Ford Fiesta's rear door panel using an easy method. This process is straightforward and designed to help you access internal components without causing damage. Whether you are upgrading speakers or performing repairs, these clear instructions will guide you through each step. Let's get started with the necessary tools. First, gather your essential tools. A set of plastic trim removal tools and Torx screwdrivers, specifically sizes T20 and T25. Begin by gently prying off the small plastic cover found behind the interior door handle. Use a plastic tool to prevent scratches. Once removed, you will find one Torx T20 screw. Unscrew this and set it aside safely. Next, focus on the door pull handle. There are two Torx T25 screws here that need to be removed. After that, look along the outer edge of the door panel. You will find two more Torx T20 screws. Carefully remove these as well. Finally, use your plastic tool to gently pry up the window switch panel and disconnect its electrical harness by pressing the release tab. With all screws removed and the window switch disconnected, use your plastic pry tool to carefully release the remaining clips holding the panel to the door. Start from the bottom and work your way around. Once all clips are free, lift the entire door panel upwards and away from the door frame. Remember to disconnect any final electrical connectors, such as for the speaker, before fully removing the panel. You've done it.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.